Hi, welcome back to my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ghalib Iqbal bin Muhammad Ali. I'm from AC2206CAA, and before that I would like to thank for supporting me and watch my previous video on how to make siphon and how to make compost from kitchen waste. And for today's video, I will share to all of you and conduct the experiment of traffic noise. But before I proceed, what is the purpose of this experiment? So let's find out. So the main objective of this experiment is we want to determine the noise level at L10. So what is L10? L10 is noise level that exceeds by 10% in a specified time. Alright, now can anyone guess what is the only device that can measure the level of noise? Is it a total station or a recorder? No. So the answer is, tada! This is a prototype of Dawson DSM-141 noise level meter. So I don't have the real one. So this is just the prototype. And this device will be able to measure the level of noise in the unit of decibel, which is dBA. And now I will show you how to use this device. From here we can see that there are several buttons on this device, and to turn on this device you have to press the red button here, which is indicates the on and off for this device. So let's say that you want to turn off this device back, just press the red button again. Okay, second, to get the exact reading of the noise level, you just have to press the hold button. So where is the hold button on this device? Here, which is on top left of this device. And then the readings on the screen will stop for a while and you just can record the data into the notebooks. But before I forget, some people may ask me that is there any other device that can measure the level of noise? I have no idea, but if you ask me that is there any other brands that have similar to this device, yes they are, and you just have to Google and you will see there's a lot of brands that have similar to this device. And now I will show you my study area, so let's go. Which is located near to Parit Sulong Batu Pahat, Johor, and from here we can see that there are several shops, several stalls, and also a primary school and a petrol station which is located about 2 kilometers from this study area. And also there is a residential area also constructed behind this shop building, and also a restaurant and 2 other houses around this area. So talking about study area, the reason why I choose this location as my study area because of I want to observe does the noise level that produced from this main road affecting the people nearby or the residents or the students that study in the school, as well as the people that having lunch in the restaurants. So this would be the problem statement for this test. And now I will show you how to conduct this experiment. Let's go. So this is how I conduct this test, and firstly you have to hold this device carefully just like you hold a baby and point this device to the source of noise. Second, to obtain the reading, press the hold button that I mentioned earlier and repeat this step for 30-second time interval, and this test should be done in 30 minutes. So it means that there would be 60 number of reading of noise level that being recorded in this test. As for the analysis of data, there are 2 different graphs that you have to draw based on the reading that you have obtained from this test, and they are S-curve graph and frequency graph. For the S-curve graph, which is the graph of cumulative frequency versus noise class, while for the frequency graph is the graph of noise level versus time. And this is a formula to determine the value of L10 by substituting the maximum and the minimum value of noise level into this formula. Then you will obtain the value of L10. And now we already obtained the value of L10, and thus the objective of this experiment has been achieved, and this test is considered as successfully conducted. And before I end this video, For those who haven't subscribed this channel, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification button below so that you won't miss to any of my upcoming videos. I think that's all for today. Thank you for spending your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the future. See you later. Bye.